In order to start using the Setup Sheet add-in and create or modify any templates, it is necessary to know how to properly open the add-in inside Microsoft Excel. Add-in is stored within the SolidCAM Setup Sheet folder inside the installation folder of SolidCAM. Let's open this location. On my PC, it is stored inside the default location in Program Files. Here, we see many files from which the most important ones for the template creation are two add-ins, 32-bit and 64-bit add-in. Which version to choose depends on the version of Excel that you have installed on your PC. If you don't know this information, don't worry. Unlike the previous versions of SolidCAM, when you needed to know this information, inside SolidCAM 2022, you can simply run SolidCAM Setup Sheet.exe app, and it will take out the guesswork for us and open a proper add-in inside Excel. If you still want to know which version of Microsoft Excel is installed on your PC, you can do that easily by opening up About Excel inside your application. Let's do that. We'll go in Excel, Account, and here, About Excel. Here you can clearly read which version is installed on your PC. Now, let's try opening up the add-in. I will launch the SolidCAM Setup Sheet .exe app. Here we see that Microsoft Excel has been successfully launched, and inside the ribbon we can see Setup Sheet tab. This is a clear indicator that the add-in is launched correctly. First, we'll start a template from scratch and show the process of creating a completely new template. We need to go to File and create a new blank workbook. Now let's go to SolidCAM Setup Sheet tab. And because we are still not inside template definition, all our template tools are grayed out. But we can go and choose New Template Definition button. Let's hit it. Now, the software is asking us if we want to convert our workbook into a setup sheet template. Yes. This is a message saying that we have successfully converted the file into a setup sheet template. Hit OK. Now, it is asking us where do we want to save our template. Usually, I prefer using the default location, which is inside Public Documents Setup Sheet folder, here. Let's name it Setup Sheet Test and hit Save. This message is saying that our template couldn't find the .xml file, which is necessary for template creation, and will be explained further. For now, just hit OK. Now, we have successfully started a new template, and all the fields for template modification inside the ribbon are now active. Besides starting a new template from scratch, sometimes you have a need to edit an existing template. To do that, we'll now close the Excel and again run the add-in. Now, we must find some template that we want to edit. Let's go to a default folder. And here, let's try loading this default Excel template. Just simply drag and drop it inside the add-in. And now let's go to SolidCAM Setup Sheet tab. And here you can see that all the template tools are now active, and you can start modifying your template.